Hello, we are Robert and Marc,
and we are going to teach you how to assemble a computer.
This is the random access memory, and it is used to store the process in the computer, and it goes here. And this is the processor, and it is used to execute the process in the random access memory. And they all go in the motherboard, which is the base of a computer. And it goes here.
This is the processor cooler, and it's assembled here in these 4 holes.
This is the power supply, and it's what gives energy to the whole computer, and it goes here.
This is the video card. It is used to connect the screen and it allows to watch image. This is the hard disk, and it's used to store some information. And it's assembled here. Well, this is the floppy driver, which is used to read and write floppy disks, and it's assembled here. And finally, this is the DVD, and which is used to read and write CDs or DVDs. And it's assembled just here.
Okay, so this is the 20-pin connector, and it goes here. This is the 4-pin connector, and it goes here. Then this is the serial data, and one is connected here. And the other one goes here in the hard disk, and then you can connect another one into the floppy disk. These are the Molex connectors, and one goes here, the other one goes here, and the other one goes connected here.